boys and girls, welcome to Library Land. It's Miss Slurry here, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Spring into STEM. So today we're going to do another chemical reaction. We're going to do an experiment called Magic Milk. To do this experiment, you need dishwashing soap, milk, food coloring, and Q-tips. What's going to happen is we're going to make the colors from the food coloring magically swirl in the milk. But remember, it's not magic, it's science. So what we're first going to do, I have about a cup of milk here, and we're going to slowly pour it onto a plate. Now, we're going to take out our food coloring. For this experiment, you're going to want to use as many colors as possible. But I just have some yellow, green, and blue, just because it's easier to make the reaction. And what I'm going to do is I am going to put food coloring all on the surface of the milk. The more drops you use, the more reaction you'll get. You could try to make a pattern as well. My one green's almost empty, so I'm going to see what else I have. I have a little bit more green to add. So now, boys and girls, we're going to take some dishwashing soap and we're going to put it at the end of our Q-tip. So milk has proteins and fats in it, and the dishwashing soap is going to want to mix with those protein and fat molecules. And normally we wouldn't be able to see that, but we put food coloring on top. See how it's just resting on the milk, almost floating? Because the food coloring's on top, we're going to see the reaction between the dish soap and the milk. We're going to see the fat and the protein molecules start to swirl and almost break apart. So we're going to touch it to the center. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We have swirling magic milk. You were able to see the dish soap and the fats and the proteins in the milk swirl, and those chemical bonds break. Try this experiment out at home. I'd love to see your versions. This is Miss Solari signing off from Library Land. Bye-bye.